what's going on, everybody? I am back with another video. Look, you guys seen the title, seen the thumbnail, and seen the description, man. Look, we are about to wash this bad boy right here. Me and my lovely girlfriend about to do our best to clean this Camaro. I tell y'all, black is really hard to keep clean, so we're gonna do our best. So we're gonna, just wet it down real quick, and then we'll get back to y'all in a second. Oh, so now I'm gonna wet it up a little bit. You know.
Okay.
You gotta step back.
All
man.
right.
You gotta step back. Get the grills and everything. All that good stuff. Shit, hold up. Hold on, y'all. We got a little error right here. So we get back with y'all in a second. So you know. Gotta wet it up. This is the way I do it, y'all. So if y'all got any other way of doing it, feel free to comment and let me know. I'm not no professional washer here, so if y'all got any tips for me, feel free to comment and let me know if I'm doing it wrong. Go around here real quick. Go around here. Up like that. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to add the soap right there. The point of this, rinsing it off first. Why am I tired? So we go. This is what I use. But the point of this was to get like all the little dirt and stuff, have the dirt raised up off the car. And now when we use the soap, it should be easier to clean. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the little what's that thing called, babe? Help me.
The soap sprayer? I don't know.
Right
I'm coming.
You know, you'll put this on there. Then we're gonna spray the car down, but we gotta add a little bit of water to this. No, it's already in there. Never mind.
I didn't put water.
I think we gotta add water to this.
Oh, then you might have to add a little water.
But this is what we're gonna use. Spray down the car, but we gotta be quick because it's gonna. This sun is out. Get that sun.
I don't know if I got it. I can't see.
So stay tuned for that part. Oh my God. So now we just spray it down like that. Get the round. Hold up, y'all. Put this over there like that. Get the round in front. Go around this way though. I'll let this sit for a couple minutes, like a minute.
Then you do it again, right?
Then I'll rinse it off.
And then you do that again.
I think so.
I thought you had to do that a couple of times.
Yeah, then we hand wash it. So if you guys are like have like car wash fetishes or something out there, and you guys like, man, he's doing it wrong, let me know. You know, I ain't perfect. Look at me, I'm all soaked and wet and everything. So, you guys didn't see that.
Hi YouTube, I just wanted to be in the video.
Look, who's that? Who's we at?
It's my sister.
Her sister Nikki. There's Nikki right there.
Are you open for business?
yeah, she's next. She's next.
Say hi to the YouTube.
So what we're going to do is, I really want to get all that brake dust and stuff off of there. And now I got to hurry up and rinse this thing down. And, you know, I think this is pretty, it's a lot of work, but
it's worth it.
I think it has to be done.
And it's worth it.
So, one thing I want to say, listen, y'all. If y'all get a black car, y'all not ready to take care of it, man, don't bother.
It gets dirty
black
in like one day.
It looks good when it's clean, but my God, like it is the hardest color. You can keep clean, so.
Good one.
So boom. Now what we're gonna do is, what we're
Just so you know, this was mine. His drink was over there, but
Don't tell him, please don't tell him what I was drinking.
He stole mine. I just said your drink was over there.
Yeah, but just don't tell him what I was drinking.
I won't.
It was a Truly.
You guys can guess.
I told it was a Truly. I'm sorry,
told them.
guys. Fuck, man. Please, but
Well,
please,
now they know.
you know, don't judge me. What is the good way to clean rims, like the brake
Okay,
dust
well,
and everything? Like, I'm dead serious.
You should have put soap and water on that first.
I will. I'm gonna do that. But it's just like, I feel like it's the hardest thing to do. Like, I mean, I'm gonna do what my girlfriend said, obviously, but I feel like, should I like just comment and let me know how the hell to do this? Because all the brake dust and stuff, it doesn't take long for these things to. So, well, I think my question is how do you keep them clean the easiest way without having to wash them like this? Is there like some stuff that you spray on there or whatever? Let me know. I don't know. Is this enough soap? Or I just gotta keep.
No, but you got dip it in the water too. There's just not a lot of water.
Oh yeah. See, man, this is why I need you in my life, man. See, I'm stupid sometimes. You know, I'm thinking clearly. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm just gonna go around the car like this. You know, should I go in circles or should I go?
Oh my
back
gosh,
and forth?
it doesn't matter.
I don't know.
Wax off.
Yeah, look, get her. Get it. Wax on, wax off. So. You just keep it on it. So, alright, but this is what I'm gonna do around the whole car, and then
We'll be back.
yeah.
Water just to cover the bottom. Yeah, you're right. It's gonna make sense. I mean, even when I do, there's stick of butter if I don't put any liquid in it. I just put butter in it.
So now we just gonna rinsing it off. And now I should spray my girlfriend. I should. And then we're just gonna dry it off. Huh? Yeah, I think I'm gonna hit those a little bit more. Get all that brake dust from under there. Look, y'all, I legit just did this on the fly. So let me know how y'all wash the car, because I have no damn idea. All right, so just dried it off. I'm going to clean the windows with some window cleaner, Windex, whatever. Clean the tires a little bit more, the rims, and get all that good stuff, and call it a wrap. But I just wanted to come out here and do this video, show you guys how I attempt to clean my Camaro. This is like I tried one time before, but it got too windy, so decided the weather's nice, no wind, so here I am, second attempt. So give me 1 second to do this.
That wet shit that I buy for the tire seeds is what you need.
All right, like just like that.
That's what you need for your tires.
That's how it looks. We did our best. Probably gonna be dirty in a couple hours because it's black, but everybody stop talking. Why did they stop talking over there? But you know, did the rims, did the tires, did all that good stuff. You know, still got a little bit of brake dust in there, but I got tired and out of breath. So, but that's all I got for this video. Just wanted to come out here and just show you guys how the hell I attempt to wash my Camaro. And if you guys have any, like, well, not really concerns, what's the word I'm looking for? If you guys have any feedback, let me know, because there's an easier way, better way, more efficient way. Feel free to comment, hit me up, hit that subscribe button.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
And share. Yeah, I didn't even know so you just helped me out. So that's all I got for this video. And you know what? Get behind here real quick. I'm gonna start it up for him. Yo, my Truly in my hand.
Don't drink and drive, folks.
That's all I got. Catch you on the next one.